This series, called 3 Minutes Inside of Operation, focuses on what I'd like to call back to basic, do the right things right. So, in today's episode, we're going to be talking about what I believe is probably one of the most essential aspects or components of operations in general. It's called the management system. The management system is also frequently referred to as a daily management system or an operational system or an operational management system or management control systems. Interesting, the word system comes in frequently. That's why I try to refer to it as often as I can to a management practice. I want to steer away from IT systems or ERP systems. The management practice is an hourly practice or an hourly routine or a daily routine or a discipline that is practiced by every level of management in the organization, starting at line leaders to supervisors, production managers, all the way up to executives. And it's designed in such a way that we are supposed to help our subordinates achieve a plan. Sounds simple. It is not. First thing, in order to achieve a plan, is you need to have one. And this is what we frequently see within our operations of our clients, that these plans are not tailored in such a way that the individual can actually influence it. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense for a machine operator to ask him to realize 100,000 euros or dollars worth of revenue. What we can do is ask this machine operator to produce, let's say, 60 widgets or units within the next hour in the right quality. For the next hour, these 60 units can also be produced. Do we have the raw material? Is the line speed correct? Is the outcome, the quality as we have it by standard? Is everything available so that this machine operator can do his or her best job? You don't need a dozen indicators for that. You need to have a little handful, a few, but ones that he or she can influence. It's also the job of the supervisor or the manager to walk around to the different people in his or her area of accountability. Far too frequently when we visit our clients, supervisors are occupied. They're in their offices. They're in meetings. They are not with their teams. They are everywhere except with the people that they are supposed to be managing. I think managers at all levels, from line managers to executives, should have the ability to 2 or 3 times per week spend 10, 15, 20 minutes with their feet up on their desks. If they can do that, that means that they have things under control. They can think about how they can conquer the world, how they can find the next improvements, how they can drive towards growth. And a management practice is a key and essential element of just that. Having a plan, executing it according to the plan, working with the people to make sure that we can do this over and over again. Avoid problems from happening instead of correcting them. A handful of indicators is more than enough. It's the discipline to make this happen every day. That's the challenge. See you on the next episode. Back to basics.